How to fix device ban Snapchat in iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. If your Snapchat is showing device ban, then let's go ahead and fix it. Firstly, launch the settings application on your device and check for iOS updates in your software update settings. Tap on General and then on Software Update and make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS. Also, open App Store and search for Snapchat and make sure the app is updated to its latest version. Mine is showing open here, which means the app is up to date. If not, it would show update instead of open. See if the problem is fixed or not. If not, open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for help.snapchat.com. You will see the option for Contact Us. Tap on that and now select the I cannot access my account option and then select either I can't create a Snapchat account or my account is locked. You will now be led to a form, so go ahead and fill in your details, that is your username, your email, and your phone number. You will also be asked to describe your problem in the description text box. Make sure to be informative and descriptive while typing in your problem for quicker responses from Snapchat. Do not forget to mention that you have not violated any conditions of Snapchat and your account was banned mistakenly. Include attachments like screenshots or screen recordings as a proof. And now tap on Submit. With this, your problem has been reported. You will receive a notification from Snapchat regarding your issue soon and your problem will be fixed. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.